What happens when you fracture your bone? Your doctor advises you to take some rest so that the bone can heal, right? And what happens when you cut your finger? It heals after a few days. Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe. I'm Dr. Shruti Ajmera and I welcome you to Brainvibe. So our body has many complex mechanisms and one of them is healing. So it is very fascinating to know that how our body heals itself. Suppose you got a cut on your finger. What will you observe after a few minutes? The bleeding will stop, right? And what about after a few days? You will see it's healing. And what after a few months? You will see that it's not there. Like you never got that cut, right? Now let's understand that how this works. So the first phase is the clotting of blood. You will see a thick layer of blood accumulates after a few minutes of injury. Platelets that are present in the blood are responsible for this formation of clot. Then there is whole cascade of factors which helps in formation of clot. So you should never remove your clot after injury. So the second phase starts when the immune cells come over the site of injury. First the neutrophil comes and then the macrophages come to clean the area. The third phase starts when your body starts repairing the blood vessels and formation of new tissues. So the first granulation tissue comes and then they are replaced by the stronger scar tissues which has more collagen. So if you think that all wounds are healed in the same manner, then the answer is no, because it depends how clean the wound is, how are the margins of wound and how large it is. So if you have a large wound, then there will be more inflammation, there will be more granulation tissue and large scar formation will take place. So if we talk about bones, first there will be callus formation and then they will be replaced by the bone and then there will be remodeling of bone. But if the gap between the two ends of bone is less than 500 microns, then there will be direct union of bone and without any callus formation. So at last I want to say that our body has capability to heal itself and to fight against the diseases. But if it's unable to do so, then we need some extra support like medications or some drugs. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Till then, stay fit and stay happy. Thank you.